Kyala bafana sinjweni kuthi sitsomu nani ngabona sala utshelwa sibona ngomopho manje angikhulumi ngizonibamba ngestrap ngizonibamba ngestrap ngizonibamba ngestrap kyala bafana sinjweni kuthi sitsomu nani ngabona sala utshelwa sibona ngomopho manje angikhulumi ngizonibamba ngestrap ngizonibamba ngestrap Zumbamba ngestrap manje ngikhuluma ngibabamba ngento lethi certificate ngishuthe bewe ntwana zami ngibavala ubebe ngibaqede lokuphapha from to we're doing this shit we were so really yeah we prove it think I'm lying yeah prove it on a VIP she acting different let's tell it kaka bengeke ngalini owabukhali bengeke ngasini on the club is another day popping champagne vodka we sipping do cash flow money we spending charging cocaine money we spending ngiwone sengipheka umuntu sekethe empedi ngibona ngobikolo ngasihokoloza ngamhlokoloza angazi kanjani bafana sinkinga ngaphikisa olinga njengomalinga sonifaka kunyawo vela ngisaphisi ngumlisi ongalinga from the village to the town homies ongashoda shout zero we did it yeah let us be the hello yeah future kings come on yeah zokutracisa zolunga kwezokhosa kwezusuku fanuthini lethi weeks khishwa sithi ngizomnyisa kodwa impilo ngizomcisha ngiyashisa ngezomcisha fasi kodwa badazishe yeah yeah makabe ngibona bathi yeah yeah Kyala bafana sinjweni kuthi sitsomu nani ngabona sala utshelwa sibona ngomopho manje angikhulumi ngizonibamba ngestrap ngizonibamba ngestrap ngizonibamba ngestrap Kyala bafana sinjweni kuthi sitsomu nani ngabona sala utshelwa sibona ngomopho manje angikhulumi ngizonibamba ngestrap ngizonibamba ngestrap Zumbamba ngestrap Zero cost. Anybody wanna go home? Unless it's the squad now we home. Damn club say we living right. It's called that dog is shining bright. The popping bodies now feeling high. Ain't much about that shit is right. I just pump it up, feeling like a